This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking your niche and planning 3 test videos that show your angle. This validates interest fast. Once done, gather minimal gear. Smartphone, external mic, and a reflector or softbox for even light. You don't need expensive cameras. Make the channel now, pick a memorable name, add a clean banner, and upload a short trailer plus 2 full videos so viewers see consistency and purpose right away. Now focus on execution. Record at 1080p or 4K with steady framing and clear audio. Capture B-roll to explain points visually. During editing, trim dead time, keep clip pace punchy, add captions and quick cuts so viewers stay engaged. Once edited, craft an optimized title with 1 keyword, write a useful description including 3 tags and timestamps, and design a bold thumbnail. Finish by setting a realistic publishing schedule. 1 video per week for 6 weeks is sustainable and trains the algorithm and your audience. Promote each upload with short clips, community posts, and cross-posting to social hubs. Engage in comments to build loyalty. Monitor retention, click-through rate, and watch time if you see big drop-offs. First, troubleshoot audio quality and opening 10 seconds. Poor sound or a slow start is the most common fix that restores viewers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.